Okay, let me explain this to you guys, and then you guys can kind of just jump on.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so here's what we need on our project. I have a few virtual assistants that we have working on this, but ideally, we need a team right now to help us gather the remaining batch of emails. So right now, this is however many remaining emails we have.
The
Uh,
just on I interfere because Bengali is our mother language. English is not our first language, so I request you to to collaborate this meeting uh, slowly. Then it will be more helpful.
got it.
Whereas it will take more times.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Thank you.
okay, so we have missing emails. So
Yes,
your
yes.
team would do this one. Each of you gets 200 emails from this tab. And so all it is this. Copy this name, Google search, UC Berkeley, PhD student, and you try to find the emails within the first three. Oli, can you mute yourself? I can't. Can you mute yourself? I see so much back noise.
Sorry.
Can you mute yourself? Because yeah, there you go. Thank you. Uh, so again, you're just gonna anything that doesn't have emails, everything you're doing is you're copying it. Search UC Berkeley, PhD student, and you're trying to find the emails in the first four links. So contact info, if it has website, you would click it, but right now it doesn't. So okay, can't use it. Cecilia, nothing. Cecilia, nothing. And Cecilia, contact me. Yeah, nothing. So then you would change this to not found. And you would keep doing the same thing for all the ones that you have assigned. So if you do UC, Abby Thatcher, uh, okay, no email, no email. Abby Thatcher, no email. Yeah, no email. Then this changed to not found. Okay, so you would continue this every single time, all the way until you guys are done. So I'll assign everybody a different color. That's however many 200 that you will need to do. So that's pretty much it. I we just need uh we'll do UC Berkeley first, and then we'll do the other schools that we have. That way you guys have something to do every single second. Any questions, Oli, or is that pretty straightforward? Oli?
Do you hear me?
I hear you now.
Actually, here we are 60 members,
Mm-hmm.
and unfortunately, they all cannot join into the meeting.
Okay.
And I request you, you give us the leads for 3 hours to complete it, and it will be paid $10.
Okay.
And we accept your offer, but if you pay through our marketplace platform, then it will be deducted 20%
Okay.
as a tax. So that
Yeah.
if we earn only $10, then then 20. That means $2 is deducted from this amount. So
Okay.
we requested you. We completed your task, and after completing, we join. A meeting where we show our work completed. we share our any days where you can see that we collected all the details.
Mm-hmm.
And is it possible then you pay through our direct bank account?
I can try. Like
Or
wire.
we have Pioneer account.
Oh, okay,
Uh,
okay. Yeah, it's fine. Payoneer is fine.
Pioneer may be easy for you.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. No problem.
And our all team members want to know you from that. We think that you have large project in future. We expect that
Yeah.
we continue our work if if we complete if we follow your instruction as well,
Okay.
and they all want to join with you.
Okay. Let's do it then.
Okay, thank you very much. So send me a Google Sheet where 1200
Yep. Yep.
list will be included.
Okay. Sending it now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you shortly. Bye.
Bye.